Okay, hi. So here's the good news for you. So I have successfully deployed the my application over Google's Kubernetes platform, and in some moment we're going to see how it looks on the UI. So let's just go and have a look. Hi. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall the Kubernetes cluster that I've created, and its name is Postgres. Okay, so let me just uninstall that. It will take some time actually. The system is kind of slow, so yes, now it is uninstalled. Now the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a new version. Like I have this new one that I've created just 12 minutes ago. So what I'll do is helm upgrade. So that's whatever we are installing on the Kubernetes platform, that is called as a release. So my release name would be, let's say Pallavi 57 Amazonish. Let me just install that one. Okay. Give the path of that chart. Okay. So it will take some time. So we'll just wait. Okay, it is not accepting this name. I'll just remove this comma, sorry, the slash. We'll see. Is invalid. Okay. I'll just remove this one also. Kubernetes is actually very it's very strict in this naming conventions. So this kind of it has started installed. So we'll see. It will take some time. Now it got deployed. Okay. Now the next thing what we are going to do is we're going to check whether it is running or not. Kubernetes logs. Okay, first let's see get deployments. Okay, it's not running. We'll see why. Reason why is Amazonish is not good. So there is something related to that. So we'll just have a look. Okay, so we have to, the major thing that I missed is I did not change the name of the image over there. So it is, that's why it is, it didn't create the board actually. So I have replaced the image, and then we'll see. I'll just create it again. I'll uninstall. Okay, so let it just get uninstalled, and then again I'll deploy it, and then we'll see whether the deployments are running or not, and then we can see whether our GraphQL service is there or not. So install. So let me just install this one. So I've used upgrade but it will first install because it was not. Once it is installed, if you are installing the same release for the second time, it will upgrade it. But since it is not installed in the first place, so it is first installing it, and then it will do the upgrades for the subsequent deployments. So it got deployed. We'll just see, get the deployments. Hopefully it is running right now. Okay, it is not running. Okay. So I again have to come back and to get rid of the issues that I was getting. I have to change this name of, like we are giving in the value files. This name has to be changed, and everything else is correct as of now. Okay, correct, fine. Now what will happen is I'll just go and install this. So this is the name, and I'm going to install that. So let's see. Let's just wait until it gets installed. I mean, it is a little bit of killing thing. Okay, it got installed. Got installed. I didn't have to talk so much on this, on irrelevant stuffs and petty stuffs. So okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see whether the deployments are running or not. So let me just see. Yes, it is running right now, 23 seconds ago, like just now. And this is just the pod deployment for the application. In order to access that from outside, like if I run this Docker container and access the GraphQL service and the front-end service from the using localhost, it will run. But in order to do that using Kubernetes, we have to use an ingress controller that will route all the requests from outside world to the Kubernetes cluster, so that we could get something out of that. That is the next step that I'm going to do. So let's just wait for me to complete it so that I can show you. And yeah, if you like this video, just subscribe and follow me on YouTube. You can also connect with me on in LinkedIn. Thank you.